my Dogecoin holders. So what's going on? Today video is going very special because I have also what good news with prediction. So let's get started. First of all, the live price prediction, and then I give you a very good news and this video. So guys, before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe MBS Tech channel. Please, if you just click on the subscribe button, then I updating you every good news or bad news. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription. Guys, if you can see here, the Dogecoin latest price as this time 0.07351 at US dollar, and totally they're gone up in the last 24 hours upward. So my friends, if this time they're going upward, then what are you doing? I think this is three things which we do at the same time when they're going up or down. Three things: yes, sell, hold or buy. These three things are very important, and this decision is also very important for our holder because they give you a very big loss, and they also make you millionaire. So hope you understand to what I told you. Guys, let's check out the market cap of Dogecoin to what's going on in the market cap. You can see here the last one day chart this time. I don't know why they're not showing. Let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap.